Mabuhay! I am Elle, your tour guide for today, and today I will be guiding you as we explore Parañaque City. So, Parañaque City is a highly urbanized city in Metro Manila, Philippines, part of the NCR. It has 16 barangays being Baclaran, Don Galo, La Huerte, Dionisio, San Isidro, Santo Niño, Tambo, Vitales, BF Homes, Don Bosco, Marcelo Green, Merville, Moonwalk, San Antonio, San Martin, and San Valley. So it became a city in 1975 kasi before it was only called Municipality of Parañaque. Officially called the City of Parañaque noong February 15, 1998 via Republic Act number 8507 na sinay ni Fidel V. Ramos. So, major economic hubs, Ninoy Aquino International Airport PTEX. So, Parañaque is called the gateway to Metro Manila dahil nandito yung Ninoy Aquino Airport and PTEX. And dahil doon nag-grow ng mas mabilis yung economy sa Parañaque dahil syempre madaming tao, madaming tourists and business na dumadaan. So, it is about 19 kilometers south of Central Manila, as you can see here. From here, Central Manila, 19 kilometers. And Pasay, it's, napaligid siya ng Pasay, Taguig, Muntinlupa, and Las Piñas. So, ang total land area niya is 47.69 square kilometers. So, where or how did Parañaque City got its name? So, madaming kwento paano nila nakuha yung pangalan na Parañaque. Yung una daw is dahil sa belete tree na pag sa malayo, mukha siyang parang malaking barko, kaya tinawag na palanyag galing sa word na palayag, meaning paglalayag or navigation point. Yung pangalawa naman is bago dumating yung mga Espanyol, nung nag-usap yung mga mangingisda tapos mga farmers kung ano ipapangalan sa lugar. Gusto daw ng farmers ay palayan, gusto naman ng mangingisda ay palalayag. Then yung last is na misheard ng kutsero na yung Kastila, nasabi ng Kastila, para aki, meaning stop here or dito lang. Akala ng kutsero, sabi niya is like, para aniyake. So, delicacies of Parañaque, tapsilog made of cured beef, garlic fried rice, or sinangag and fried egg. Lauya, beef soup simmered with ginger and spices, often served during gatherings or cool weather. Bibingka galapong, made from rice flour and served with butter and shredded coconut on top, sometimes topped with salted egg slices. Bibingka pinipig, traditional rice cake topped with pinipig, commonly enjoyed during holidays. Suman salihia, made of glutinous rice wrapped in banana leaves or coconut leaves. Then panday itlog, simply a pandesal infused with giniling, potato, and slice of hard-boiled eggs as fillings. Now let's move on to the attractions. So the attractions, I will just let my assistant tour guide continue.
Mabuhay! I am your Ate Ala, your assistant tour guide for today. Let's talk about the Parañaque's attractions. And now, we are arriving at our first destination of City of Dreams, Manila. Isa ito sa mga pinakasikat na integrated resort ng Entertainment City. Minsan ito at dinevelop ng Malco bilang world-class lifestyle at gaming destination. Makikita ninyo rito ang hotels, luxury shops, at performance venues na dinisenyo para maging all-in-one entertainment hub. Pinagsabit dito ang modern architecture at tourism para ma-attract ang both local at foreign visitors. Next stop, ang Soler Resort and Casino. Ang kaunang-unahang luxury resort na nabukas sa Entertainment City noong 2013. Itinalayo ito ng Bloomberry Resorts para maging high-end gaming at hotel complex sa Metro Manila. Kilala ito sa elegant design, malaking gaming area at theater kung saan ginaganap ang international shows. Isa ito sa mga nagpasimula ng pag-develop ng area bilang Vegas-style street ng bansa. Next stop ay ang Las Piñas Parañaque Bird Sanctuary, officially tinatawag na wetland park at protected area ito ng gobyerno. Nabuo ito mula sa coastal reclamation areas na kalauna ay naging natural habitat ng migratory birds mula sa iba't ibang bansa. Idineklara itong protected site para ma-preserve ang mangroves at wildlife ecosystem. Best time to visit ay bare months hanggang early summer kung kailan maraming dumarating na ibon. Our next stop is ang Parañaque Cathedral Parish of St. Andrew. Isa sa mga pinakamatandang simbahan sa lungsod na unang itinayo noong 80s. Originally gawa ito sa light materials at ilang beses na na-reconstruct dahil sa sunog at lindol. Ang kasalukuyang structure ay mas matibay na bato at concrete na may classic church design. Ang ganyan, ito ang sentrong simbahan ng Catholic community sa Parañaque. We are arriving at our last destination, ang Okada, Manila, na binagsan noong 2016 at pag-aari ng Japanese businessman na si Kazuo Okada. Itinayo ito bilang ultra-luxury integrated resort na may hotel, casino, mall at sikat na dancing fountain. Mapapansin ninyo ang gold theme architecture na inspired sa modern Asian design. Isa ito sa pinakamalaking resort complexes sa Pilipinas. Salamat sa pagkikinig. Paalam!